Hi, congratulations on getting started with your orthodontic treatment with your Clear Correct aligners. We're going to give you some information now about your treatment before opening the box. First, we're going to give you the timeline. Each set of trays will be worn 22 hours a day, every day until treatment is completed. It is very important that you keep this time of every day for 22 hours a day. Secondly, when you receive your trays, each set of trays you will wear for 2 weeks. So tray 1 you'll wear for 2 weeks, tray 2 you'll wear for 2 weeks, and so on and so on. At the end of every 4th week, you will see Dr. Yoon for any follow-up treatment and adjustments that she needs to do with your trays and to give you the next set of trays. So that's the timeline. Secondly, we want to talk about the safety. It's very important that you keep these trays in a container that we're going to give you out of the box. I always tell my patients it's very important that you keep your container with you at all times like you keep your cell phone, because whenever you don't have your trays in their mouth, they should be in this container. The trays are very easily lost or misplaced because they're so lightweight and clear. Also, you have to be careful with pets, especially dogs. If you lay them out for any time, they're attracted to them and they can get them and treat them like a chew toy. So remember, always keep your trays inside your containers. Secondly, we want to talk about your oral hygiene. It's essential that you keep your mouth clean, brush morning and night, and floss and rinse. In the morning, after you've brushed and flossed, place your trays in. At night, before you go to bed, when you sleep with them, make sure your teeth are brushed and flossed. During the day, if you can have a travel toothbrush with you, when you have a large meal, do the same. Brush, floss, rinse, and put your trays back in. The trays don't need any special solution to keep clean. They just need to be rinsed thoroughly before you put them back in your mouth. If you're not able to brush at any time after you eat, just take them out, rinse your mouth thoroughly, rinse the trays, and put them back in. So that's the oral hygiene. Now also, when you get your trays, they may feel a little tight or uncomfortable, but that's normal, and you can use any type of over-the-counter pain pill, such as Tylenol, Advil, whatever you choose. So now you have the oral health part, the safety part, the timeline, and any discomfort that you may have with the trays. So now we're going to go to the next phase in the box. Okay, now we're going to the second phase. We're going to the box that's on the tray, and also there's a mirror on the tray. Now you're going to take the box and you're going to open it up, and on the very top is the container which we talked about that you'll keep your Clear Correct aligners in. And underneath that is some additional information and some bite sticks that you're going to use when you're placing your trays in your mouth. Now you'll see a couple of bags, 1, 2, maybe even 3. And on those bags, you're going to tear off at the very top and then open it like you open a Ziploc. Now also in the upper right corner, there's some small serial numbers identifying the up. It'll say U for up and L for lower with next to these small numbers. So that's to identify your trays. So you're going to take the trays out of the bag, and on the upper ones, they'll look a little bigger because your upper teeth are larger, and then the lower one, the teeth will look really small. So you're going to place both trays in your mouth, the upper and the lower, pressing down with your thumbs and fingers all the way around. And you're going to use the white bite stick to bite down all the way around, starting from one side of your mouth to the other side of your mouth until you feel that they're all the way down. You're also going to see that, make sure that they're at the edge of the incisal of your front teeth so you don't see any spaces. This lets you know that they're all the way in place. Now once you've done that and they're in, you're going to look in the mirror, and in the mirror you'll see how nice, aesthetically pleasing they are and how natural they look. So now your Clear Correct aligners are all the way in place, and we're starting the process of straightening your teeth. Okay, so you're all set to go. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know. And congratulations again on your journey with your Clear Correct aligners.